actually at the island right now. We came here in May, and it was in the works of being fixed or prepared with the dinosaurs in the water, so we came back. It was literally opened up the very next week after we left in May. So we came back down because we saw Adventures is out there, Ryan and Bree, and liked the dinosaurs and the lights and the water and all that good stuff. So it's something that we wanted to come back and enjoy thanks to them. It is a whole lot of shopping down here at the island. My hair looks wild even though I watch this water behind us. There's food, there's escape rooms, there's rides. Our girls are already up here because it takes a long time to get all this hooked up and going. You want to start there and go that way, or go right and go left? So we're gonna flip this around. We're gonna let you see our view. Uh-oh, we got parrots. Oh no, are they parrots or cockatoos? Are they parrots or cockatoos? Yes. Are they parrots or cockatoos? Alright, that is the escape room that we went to. Destiny, you didn't see the beef jerky place? Elk and bison. Look at that. You got strawberry cheesecake peanuts. Toffee royal peanuts. Let me get up there. You can actually see. Bloody Mary. Oh, I got a lot of jerky on. This is all the way across the aisle, so I have to put it all top and bottom, all 3 rows. That's too much. Sharks.
Yeah, you got it. Starting lines. Nah, plus it is.
It's all peanut butter, honey roasted peanut butter, butterscotch peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter, cappuccino peanut butter, natural peanut butter. That's interesting. Alrighty, guys. Got a fish in his mouth. That long neck is moving too. What kind of ice cream did y'all get? Who?
Little chocolate swirl.
Y'all get it? We're done. It looks like coffee. It's exactly what it looks like. Is it good? Forward, eat, shop, play, and stay. Same thing I said they had. Rides and fun, like the escape room, and shopping, and gun tabs on, don't it? Yeah, it is. That's cool. It's a clothing store. That's too much to even see right now. They can do like monkey bars. They can oh wow, that's creepy. They get strapped to something. That's cool.
Before time as we know it, before the first footprints of man, this land belonged to giants. With immense size The Brachiosaurus, towering over the treetops, with tremendous claws, a reserve and strength. A living monument to the age of dinosaurs. But it was not alone. The Jurassic World is alive. Listen. Hear the calls of creatures long lost to time. The fierce raptors. The thundering triceratops. The massive carnivores. Armored and hungry. Cunning Comelophysis. Swift, relentless. And in the shadows, something even greater. In this land of giants, there was one who reigned above all. A predator unlike any before or since. With footsteps that shook the very ground, it struck fear into every creature that crossed its path. But now, it has returned. The king of the dinosaurs, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Daggers, and a roar that shook the heavens. No creature challenged its reign. But tall dinosaurs, giants. Life is slow, fragile, waiting to flourish. Perhaps takes its first breath. A moment of one. A spark of life. Rule titans. The reign of the dinosaurs was not meant to last long. Often later than enemies. A fight arose from the heavens. When the meteor fell, changed the world forever. But tonight, in this place, for a moment in time, they return. The dinosaurs have more secrets to share, waiting to be discovered. And to those who dare to pay homage, who left the island